Good morning, Arslan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ansh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ansh, could you please send me the picture of the chapter we have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Arslan, please turn off your mic.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have done the chapter.
We have done the chapter, but we haven't to discuss the question answers.
Yes, ma'am.
So send me that. No?
Ma'am, I am joining from my other device.
Okay, better.
Mm.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Has the previous
Good morning,
class
ma'am.
ended now? Has the previous class ended?
Yes, ma'am, it is ended.
Okay. So today we have to do the question answers, right?
Yes, ma'am, you said to mark the question, short question answers. Today we will do the long question answers.
But have you done the short ones in the notebook?
No, not. We have not done the short ones in notebook. You
So
said us to mark in the book.
First, we'll discuss the short ones. First, we'll do the short ones, then the long ones. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Ansh, have you sent?
Ma'am, sending.
Okay. Thank you, Ansh. Okay, guys. So, question number 1. Who will tell me the answer of question number 1? Short question 1.
Ma'am, may
Ansh, you have not sent me the picture of question answers.
I?
Everybody
Ma'am, the
has.
first question is name the largest desert of the world.
Ma'am, Sahara Desert is the answer of the first question.
Exactly.
Yes, ma'am.
And kids, have you done the new words in the notebook?
Yes, ma'am, I've done.
Yes, ma'am.
And remember, you
Oh,
have to make each and every map, right?
ma'am. Ma'am, I have made in one only.
And you have to make the rest as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, there was the map of Africa, so in that there were wild and Sahara Desert. I have mapped both in one.
Very good. Okay, guys.
But this
Yes.
we have to done the new words in copy.
Obviously, Stuti, what kind of question is this?
Ma'am, can I tell the second answer?
Yes, Shobit. Second is, what is an oasis?
Ma'am, second answer is on page number 83, geography. Ma'am, it is oasis. Oasis is a area in desert with water at or near the earth's surface. Oasis land is fertile and is used to grow various types of crops.
Correct. Absolutely correct. Next question is, why do the people living in the desert wear loose clothes? Who will tell me the answer?
Ma'am,
Why?
can I tell?
No, somebody else now. Yuvraj Gupta, tell me the answer.
Oh, ma'am, may I?
Yuvraj Gupta will tell. Gupta ji, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी बताइए. Why do the people living in the desert wear loose clothes?
The people living in desert area wear loose clothes so that they could feel the cool inside them,
Ma'am,
inside
may
their
I?
body.
Your answer is correct, but it could be better. Yes, Ansh.
Uh, the people wear loose flowing clothes which protect from the direct heat of the sun and keep them cool.
Exactly right. The people in the desert wear loose fitted clothes which protects them from the direct heat of the sun and keeps them cool. And this answer is also given in on page number 84.
84.
Okay. On the very first paragraph of page number 84. Taranjot Singh इस साइड में क्यों आ रहा है?
Ma'am, Parmeet.
अच्छा, okay. Next question is, who are fellas?
Ma'am, fellas are the farmers of the Nile Valley.
Same page be given a fellas be
Ma'am, in the new words.
in the new ones, right? On the same page it is given. Next is, what is the location of Ladakh?
India.
No, how will you write it nicely?
Ma'am, it is a vast island lying between the Karakoram range and the Himalayas.
Yes, that's how you will write it. It is also given on page number 88. Ladakh is a vast highland desert lying between the Karakoram and the Himalayan ranges in India. Okay, that's how you write. Got that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question is, name the two districts of Ladakh.
Ma'am, Leh
Ma'am.
and Kargil are the two districts of Ladakh.
Very good. Next question will be answered by Harsh. Harsh, the question is, name any two agricultural products of Ladakh. Harsh Patel, are you there?
Ma'am,
Harsh.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer of the question. What is name any two agricultural products of Ladakh? Wow, very good, Harsh. Itna
Ma'am,
easy.
don't know.
Why don't you know? What is this answer? Try to find the answer and tell me. This is not the answer, Harsh. It's given on page number 88. Sorry, 84. Life in Ladakh. Read it and tell me the answer, Harsh. Harsh Patel, the class is waiting for you.
Ma'am, farming.
Beta, agricultural products. How could farming be agricultural product?
Ma'am, don't know.
Why don't telling you, no? Go to page number 84, read the page and tell me the answer. You only will tell me the answer today. When you are being taught in the class, then you don't come to school. Page number 84, Life in Ladakh. Find the answer and tell me.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Let him tell me the answer. Harsh Patel, we are waiting for your answer. Couldn't you read one paragraph till now? Harsh, can you hear me? How many of you
Ma'am,
know
I
the
think
Anji? No, he's here only. The ones who know the answer can raise their hands. The answer is given on page number 84, Life in Ladakh. It's so easy. Harsh Patel, find the answer. Only two of you know the answer. Palak, Mubashira, you don't know the answer?
Ma'am, I know.
Then raise your hands. Stuti, you don't know the answer?
Ma'am, rearing of animals.
Beta, agricultural products. हर्ष पटेल एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्ट आप एग्रीकल्चर से ग्रो क्या क्या होता है लद्दाख में
ma'am, how do I grow my sorry ma'am, how do I raise my hand?
you can raise an option which comes no लेकिन सबने रेज किया है
Ma'am, when we go to the reactions.
reactions में जाके yes what is this
Ma'am, there is no reaction.
oh there is an option of reactions Harsh, today I will not proceed with the class if you not tell me the answer.
Ma'am, there's the option of the raise hand.
Harsh, and I don't need a thumbs up, I need an answer.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, barley, buckwheat, turnips, and mustard.
Very good. Right? Barley, buckwheat, turnip, and mustard. You can write any two from these. Harsh Patel, now you'll take holidays from school unnecessarily.
No.
Good. Chaliye. Now let's move to the next question. Yeah. The next question is name the winds which bring rainfall to the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The ones who know
Ma'am,
that.
can I tell?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I tell?
You can just simply raise your hand. You don't need to say. Stuti
Ma'am,
will
can I
tell
tell?
Stuti will tell me the answer.
Ma'am, monsoon winds.
Yeah, you can also write southeast monsoon winds or simply
Southeast.
monsoon winds. Next question is, which is the major economic activity of the people of temperate region? Major economic activity of people of temperate region. This I made you mark yesterday only while teaching.
Ma'am, can I tell?
No. Palak will tell. Palak Jaiswal, can you tell me the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
One second.
Shobit, you can type and send me your answer.
Ma'am, in the chat box.
Yeah. But then they will also see.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Harsh, please tell.
Ma'am, chat में
Here only.
Ma'am, livestock rearing is the economic activity.
Correct. Okay, yesterday I have marked you this, that livestock rearing is a major economic activity of the people of temperate regions. Good. Next question is, what is an estancia? Who will tell me the
Ma'am,
answer?
Fancy is a large cattle farm.
Okay, it's correct, Arslan.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Estancia is a large cattle farm, but
Ma'am, which is
Arslan,
managed like a factory.
which is managed like a factory, absolutely correct. And Arslan, you need to wait for me to permit you to give the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Next is, which is the chief industry of Argentina. This also I made you mark
Ma'am,
it.
can I tell?
Yes, Shobit.
Ma'am, meat packing and processing is the chief industry of Argentina.
Exactly. Meat packaging and processing is the major or chief industry of Argentina. Next and last short question is, which is the major occupation of the people of the Ganga Brahmaputra basin? I think this you can
Ma'am, I
tell.
know the answer. Can I tell?
No, this would be answered by Mubashara. Mubashara, can you tell me the answer? Pranav can also tell. Athar Singh can also tell. Parmeet can also tell. The ones who haven't given any answer till now.
Ma'am, it's Parmeet's birthday today.
Oh, happy birthday, Parmeet.
Thank you, ma'am.
Where's the Pachi?
Ma'am, today is the online class, that's why.
Oh,
Bad luck, ma'am.
but you did. You had fun yesterday. चलिए हाँ जी बताइए somebody has to answer the question, the last question. Main activity of the people of the Ganga Brahmaputra region. Mubashira, Pranav, you can
Ma'am,
also.
can I tell?
No. Pranav, Mubashira.
Ma'am, agriculture.
Exactly, both of them said together. It's correct. Agriculture is the main industry of the people, main occupation of the people of the Ganga Brahmaputra region. Now, children, you will first do these questions, and as soon as you have done 5 of these, you will send them in the group. Start writing them now. Okay? It should be done very neatly and nicely. And listen, class, in the third lecture, no, I only will be sending you the link. Okay, so it would be my class. I think you can continue doing your question answers in that lecture. So you tell me, shall I discuss the long ones as well, or would you be doing the short ones first?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the short one first.
But then the third lecture, I would be teaching 7C. They have just started the chapter.
Oh,
So, ma'am, we can discuss the long answers first, and then we can do the short
Yeah.
answer and long answer combined.
Exactly, that's what I was thinking. Right? Let's do it like that. Shall we discuss the long answers as well?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
No
ma'am.
problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Shruti ma'am will not take the class.
No, she will not take the quiz.
Okay.
Okay, kids. Question number 1 is compare the human settlement in a cold region and a hot region. Compare the human settlement in a cold region and a hot region. Yes, Vichit?
Ma'am, we can take points from Sahara Desert life and from the Ladakh life.
Exactly. So Sahara method is given right separately due to the
Ma'am,
adverse due to the adverse climatic conditions. The population of most parts of this region is vast, and most of the people of this region are nomads.
Nomads, the nomads move around.
Ma'am, the Sahara Desert.
Yes, Sahara Desert.
Ma'am, we will write this answer in points.
Yes, you'll add points.
Ma'am, how many points?
You'll write four points at least for both.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
4 from Sahara Desert, 4 from Ladakh.
Life of Ladakh. So let's discuss.
Okay.
Did you tell me? First point I've told you. Next will tell. First tell me 4 points of Ladakh. Sorry, Sahara. First 4 points of Sahara.
Okay, ma'am.
The clothing of the people is different.
Yeah, in Sahara Desert, or in hot air settlements, people wear loose-fitted clothes.
Ma'am, there are nomads who move from one place to another for search of food and fodder.
That is what you told.
Then you can write their main economic activity.
Ma'am, Taurus are the best known nomadic people.
What?
Ma'am,
Bedouins and Tuaregs.
yes, ma'am, are the best known nomadic peoples. They live in tent and herd camel. Due to continuous loss of grazing lands and steady decline of
See,
animals.
first you can write the kind of settlements there are, right? The kind of people they live in, occupation of the people, right? Major animals found there and major crops found.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, sand dune is the most noticeable feature in the Sahara Desert.
What?
Ma'am, sand dune is the most noticeable feature in the Sahara Desert.
Very good. And what's the most noticeable? But you have to write about human life.
Yes, ma'am. Not the about
You don't
that.
have to write about like that.
Ma'am, in life in Ladakh.
Ma'am,
It
the
is a-
annual rainfall. Ma'am, the annual rainfall is 25 centimeter.
This will also not come.
And ma'am, in life in Ladakh, we can write it is a vast highland desert lying between.
Ma'am, Budics and Tuaregs are the most well-known nomadic people of Ladakh. Sorry, the Sahara Desert.
Yes, and for Ladakh, you can write they're divided into shepherds and
Ma'am, most of the parts of the region inaccessible where the people and the cattle remain indoor for much of year because of cold in Ladakh. A proper cultivation by means of manuring and irrigation is done at height ranging from 2,750 to 4,550 meter.
Good.
Ma'am, the people are divided into shepherds who populate the upland valley to hire for cultivation, and the Ladakhis who till the land. Impact on Ladakh. Leh is the most accessible town of Ladakh proper, is an important trade center and lies 260 kilometers east of Srinagar.
I have given you some points in the group as well. I'm sending some points in the group too. Right? Rest you can also add your points to that. Okay? See, population density and settlement ka points I've sent that Ladakh settlements are sparse, concentrated near rivers or streams, as these are the primary source of water. Villages are small and houses are made of stone and mud to withstand the cold climate. Whereas in Sahara Desert, settlements are found across oases where water is available. Nomadic tribes like Bedouins and Tuaregs also inhabit the region, moving to find water and grazing land for their animals. Right? Now, if we have to write about their occupation livelihood, then in Ladakh, people rely on subsistence agriculture, growing barley, wheat, and vegetables during the short summer. Animal husbandry, yak, and sheep rearing is major activity. Whereas in Sahara Desert, the economy based on date palm cultivation near oases, trade, camel herding, and mining of resources. ठीक? I'm giving you these points. You can write them as you per your own. लद्दाख में घर कैसे बने होते हैं?
Ma'am, thatched huts.
Pranav, turn off
Ma'am,
your
they have
mic.
canopy.
Oh, sorry.
Canopies कहाँ होती है लद्दाख में? Who said canopy?
Ansh.
Lunch canopies.
Me.
Ma'am, canopy is in the temperate zone.
Yeah. ठीक है
Ma'am,
देखो.
I didn't set canopies.
I know you didn't say. चलो, so I think I have given you enough points. आप इन points को अपने according लिख सकते हो. ठीक है? Did you see the points in the group?
Ma'am. See.
Are they enough?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, you
More
will-
than
Okay. हाँ जी, next question is describe the major economic activities of the people of Ganga Brahmaputra Basin. Who will tell me the answer? Major
Ma'am, about
major economic activities of the people of the Ganga Brahmaputra Basin.
Ma'am, may I tell?
हाँ जी, हर्ष.
Ma'am, the major occupation of the people is agriculture. Through quite a large number of people are engaged in industries and tertiary occupations. Subsistence and intensive agriculture is practiced in most part of the region.
Absolutely correct. We can add more points to this. Tell me more points.
मैम लास्ट पैराग्राफ से हो सकते हैं मैम और पॉइंट्स
बताइए.
मैम
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, food grains like wheat, rice, etc., and cash crops like sugarcane, cotton, jute, etc., are abundantly cultivated here.
Very good. Subsistence intensive agriculture is practice जी तो हमें बता दिया हर्ष ने. I think these points are enough. ठीक है?
ओके मैम
Clear? Next question is
and about animals.
that is not asked here, no? It only asked about the major economic.
Economic activity.
तो हमारे यहाँ इतना herding वगैरह नहीं होता. That is mostly in these areas. So herding is mostly, cattle rearing is mostly done in the temperate or the desert regions. Okay. Next is write a note on the human settlement in the Amazon basin. Write a
Ma'am, most of the tribes live there.
yes, and
Ma'am, because of inaccessibility.
okay.
Ma'am, the paragraph has been given in the book. The Native Americans of Amazon still live in the same way as their ancient did for the past 100 years.
Ancient as ancestors did.
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm. Then again, the temperatures, humidity, and accumulation of
Accumulation.
are not conducive to human comfort, right? That is why only a limited number of tribal people live in this region, right? The natives lives in thatched huts made of leaves and grass palms.
Ma'am, the Amazon basin, you also told that it is very dense.
It's very dense as well. इसके भी key points दे दूं?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm giving you the key points. You can write as per you. Baki, I think that this could also be written from the paragraph which we have discussed.
Yes, ma'am, that can be written from the paragraph.
Maybe it could be written from this paragraph only. Next is describe the major economic activities of the people of the prairies and the wilds. Shall we do only till 3 for now and discuss 4th and 5th in the city lecture?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am, we can.
So start doing these now.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is the Dutch?
What, bache?
Ma'am, in the book, it is given as veld is a Dutch word meaning that a flat
Dutch
open
is a
land with a grass
region.
and no trees.
Dutch is a region. Dutch is a state, a country.
Ma'am, it is the language of Netherlands
हाँ,
and people.
it's a region as well. It's a language as well. जैसे German होती है वो होती है.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी हर्ष.
ma'am, we will do give reasons also.
हाँ जी, we will do them as well.
Okay.
First to these many. After you have done 5 questions, please send me. After you have done 5 short, first send those 5, then send the rest, and then the longs. The group is open. Keep sending your work. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what if the lecture gets over?
Today I'm sending another link. For lecture is mine only.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, the location of Ladakh is India.
Obviously.
that the
Yes, it is
right in
India.
answer?
Yes, it is India.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I thought there would be another like latitude.
It's India.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Shobit.
Ma'am, I'm a bit confused in the answer of this question. What is the location of Ladakh? Can you please send this answer in the chat
location.
box?
No, you're right. It is given in the books. Exact words. Location is a high. Ladakh is a highland lying between the Karakoram and the Himalayan ranges in India. In India is something which you have to add.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
page number 84. Page number 84.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hmm.